This is how to upload shorts video. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first of all, you need to open your YouTube app. Once it is open, then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, and after that switch to your channel to which you want to upload your video. Once it is open, then tap on your channel's profile at the top right corner, and after that tap on your channel. Now here tap on the plus icon at the bottom middle and then tap on create a short. After that select the video from your gallery that you want to upload here. Once you have selected your video, then tap on done at the bottom right corner. Now here if your video is longer than 15 seconds, then tap on the top right corner. After that again tap on your gallery at the bottom left corner and then select your video again. Now trim your video to the left part of the video. Once you do that, then tap on done button again at the bottom right corner. Then after that tap on this tick at the bottom right corner. Once you have selected your whole video, then tap on the next button at the top right corner. After that here you need to give your video a title. So here type the title according to your video. Ensure that your video title is engaging and eye-catchy. After writing your title, then tap on visibility option and select your visibility to public. Now tap on select audience option and tap on no, it's not made for kids if your video is not made for kids, otherwise you can choose other option. Once you have completed all these steps, then tap on upload short and after that your video will start to upload. Wait for a while until your video is uploaded. Once your video is uploaded, then you can tap on see video option to see your video. Here as you can see our video has been uploaded to shorts. So this was how to upload YouTube shorts.